Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show you using Bria Desktop how I can receive a call and then I can put the recipient or the caller on hold temporarily whilst I speak to only one of the parties in the call. Without further ado, let's do a demonstration. First of all, let's call the Bria Desktop app. Now answer the call. I established that the caller wants to talk to Rob. Let's invite Rob to the conference. Select him from the list and press add. Rob answers the call and now all three of us are in the conversation. And during mid-conversation it becomes apparent that I need to speak directly to the caller. That's C phone. So I'm going to split out the call now. Let's separate it here by pressing this button. And Robert is on hold. It says that here. And if we listen to Robert's phone a minute, you can hear Robert's listening to on hold music, meaning I am talking to the established caller, C phone. If we're satisfied that we want to Rob to rejoin the call, we can simply just hit play here. Talk to Robert directly, so I'm bringing back into the conversation, and then press merge calls. Now all three of us are back in the conversation. Again, if that needs to happen during the call again, we can simply separate out the calls. Rob's now back on hold, listening to hold music. I'm talking directly with C-phone, the caller. And if we want to bring Robert back in, we can merge the calls here. Now we're all back in the call. If it becomes apparent that the caller no longer needs to talk to Robert, but I still need to carry on the call, we can hang up either party in the conversation, because I'm the administrator here, and I just simply press the hang up button. This ends the call from the caller, but I'm still in a conversation with Robert until we finish the conversation.